लिसन केयरफुली प्लीज, पीछे जो बैठे हैं अच्छे से सुनेंगे आप, ठीक है? आपको भी ऐसा बोलने का अपॉर्चुनिटी जरूर मिलेगा. Good morning to all my dear friends. Today is Sunday, as we all know that, and I have kept your practice session class. And when we came for the class, then I saw your face that you were very excited. And after coming the class, you spoke very well. Some student came here and they spoke so well, and your performance was very nice. I was very happy, and I pray to the God that whenever you go to the home, and already I have suggested you that if you want to become a good English speaker, then every day you will have to practice. And if you do not practice, then you will have lots of hesitation. And when you will have hesitation, then you can never become a good English speaker. So always try to practice in your life. And I am going to tell you, in this modern generation, if you know English, then what can you do in your future? And after learning English, where will you use it? And how will you enjoy your life? My dear students, as we all know that nowadays English language is very important for everybody. For everybody in every sector, we can say. Because we are looking that nowadays mostly schools are running English medium school, and mostly children are going to the read in English medium school. Why? What is the reason? Have you ever thought? Because their parents want that my children, my daughter, my son, they will become good in English. But it is not the matter that the students, they are learning in CBSE board, they are going to CBSE board, ICSE board, they are very perfect English, but they are perfect but not so perfect. And you are in my class, you can realize to yourself, because when you joined my class first time, that time your English was so poor. Yes or no?
Yes.
English was so poor, and still some students are doing my class, but the student, their class is going to be finished within few days. They are understanding that how was I in English, and now how am I? You are realizing, because when you came for my class, then in demo classes, I suggested you that mostly I will make you practice, because my class is running especially for practice. Because if you are a good writer, it means not that you are a good speaker. Because if you want to become a good speaker, then every day you will have to practice. Because suppose that you are a very good English speaker and you have overconfidence that if I do not practice, if I do not speak English, even though until I will not die, I will keep on speaking English same as I am, then it is your misunderstanding. After 4 months, after 1 year, after 2 years, definitely you will have lots of hesitation. And when you will have hesitation, then your self-confidence level will come down, and you will not be able to speak English as you want. So my dear students, you have come here for learning English, and always I suggest you that if you have any friend, any brother, sister, your cousin sister, your cousin